What is up, guys? Welcome to the South Coast. On today's video, we do the first real cut on the newly seeded grass in the backyard as part of the backyard restoration series. So y'all stay tuned and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so as you will see in the upcoming video, did the first cut on the newly seeded Bermuda grass that I got put in. If you haven't seen my other videos on this is the fourth video, part of the backyard restoration series I'm doing, just trying to get some grass growing in my backyard. The dogs have sort of torn it up over time, so I had to bring in some dirt, fill in some low spots, try to regrade it a little bit. Now I know it's definitely not a level flat lawn or anything like that. It's by no means any sort of award-winning lawn, but it is what it is. Another quick note is I'm not trying to claim to be an expert on this. I'm just sort of making these videos from the perspective of somebody who has never done any sort of real landscaping or anything like that. Up until this point, I've really only just cut grass that I've owned, or like cutting parents' grass when I was a kid. So I'm by no means an expert, just trying to give you guys who are also not experts, just regular guys like myself, just try to give you some insight as to how this project is going for me. So hopefully there's somebody out there who was in my, or is in the position that I was in, and hopefully this is helpful to them. So anyway, for this first cut, I have my mower set up pretty high. Got a lot of St. Augustine in this yard, so it likes to be cut a little bit longer. To be honest, I have a mix of grasses in my yard. I'm not exactly sure what all's in here. I know I got a good bit of St. Augustine. I think maybe some centipede. I don't know if it's centipede or not. Really, I need to do some more research on my grasses, but anyway, let's get to cutting. I'll show you how it turns out. Oh, and by the way, it's getting really hot down here on the South Coast, so that's why you see me looking all goofy wearing the shorts with the boots. Don't really have an explanation, but anyway, let's get to it. Alright guys, well we are going to go ahead and shut this video down there. Yeah, just going to keep watering, cutting this grass. Hopefully it's going to keep filling in as it's doing now. It's come along pretty good. Hopefully I did not do this first cut too soon. We'll see. Hopefully I did not make a big mistake. But anyway guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button. The subscribe somewhere. It's somewhere on there. Click that button. Hit that thumbs up. I think it's down there also. And leave me some comments. Let me know if you got any tips or tricks for me as I continue to cultivate this backyard, the grass in this backyard. But anyway guys, I hope y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time down here on the South Coast.